Morning, everybody. Shirtless Homestead here. Just thought we'd go ahead and take over a few things today and try to get some stuff done. Right now, we're working on a vehicle because it needs a cleaning. So we're going to go see if we can't take care of that. Returning back to civil society for a moment, so that way we can get things done. So anyway. Next time you see me, we'll be at the car wash, washing off this evaporator. So that way, we can put it back together, because it's a mess. But anyway, alright, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we're here at the car wash right now. We're going to sit there and clean our evaporator. We're working on the heater core right now, but the evaporator is pretty nasty, so we're going to need to clean that up real quick and see what we can do with it. Because it's got to be cleaner than what it currently is right now. And let me show you what it looks like. And we can go from there. Alright, there it is. There's that wonderful piece right there. I think I can get you got dirt all in it. Have some soap already in there. Trying to get it cleaned up. So what you see now, we're using a little bit of awesome, of course. Once you get it cleaned up, we'll see what it looks like afterward. And spray this down real quick. There's a lot of dirt inside there. I mean, a lot. You can't even see. It won't even. You can't even see through it. It's so dirty. So putting this on there, and then hitting it. Pressure washer. That should clean it up really good. I don't know. Alright. And give it a second. Give it a quick run across. Show you what it looks like after I'm done. Now, this is what it looks like after. You can actually get a glimpse of something going through it. You can see where light's passing through it. I wasn't doing that before. And then all the dirt is gone over here, but this poor thing looks like it's been having a rough time anyway. Probably should look at getting a new one of these, but it's already a challenge already to take these things in and out. But that's what it looks like now. Now we go and we put this back in. It should be a pretty good piece once we get done. In fact, it probably should have a better air movement even. Anyway, see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, we're back over here to the homestead. I'm going to check out a few things here to show you what's actually taking place here, what we had to do. It's a mess, so don't be too scared. All right, there's, of course, my tool bag. There's all this air intake we got going on there. And this is where the heater core is being pulled from. Had to take that air intake off. And then there's more. There's lots more. Hey, there we go. Dashboard completely pulled apart. Yeah, it wasn't exactly what we were expecting to do, but it had to be done because this thing gets cold whenever it gets cold outside. So yeah, I'm glad we got a little bit of working on this, getting it all together. And out over here, we got the old heater core. Somehow or another, in some way, it was leaking. Not exactly sure where. This here's the clean evaporator. I know it's kind of messed up there, but we don't have any money to go ahead and get that right now. But it'll still work. And then up here is the new heater core. Yes, when we get done with this, we're going to be warm driving around in that truck. And of course, this thing is all pulled apart. Cleaning up this thing, trying to make sure we get all the dust and dirt out of it. Make sure we get all these louvers here working like they're supposed to. We shall see. But however, this is what we got so far. Oh yeah, heater hoses. Yeah, we got the heater hoses out here. Tools all over the place. So, next time you see this, it will all be in one piece. Yeah. But we'll get it. No problem. All right. Next time you see this up, it will be assembled. Okay, finally got the thing back together. Amazingly enough, it seems to be working. Still have a few screws we need to, a few things that still need to work out. But anyway, here's going to be a picture of what the inside now looks like. And there it is, all back in one piece. That's all that's there. And then everything's back in here. Yeah. So I think we're going to be okay. Just going to let it, I'm going to take it out for a cruise here before long to see how it's going to go. And this was not what we were expecting to do today. But, however, we was actually supposed to do it a couple of days ago. Didn't quite get all in there, but at least now it has a heater core. And that's a good thing. Now with that, we are all good to go. So now, off to the next project. Maybe one that's not going to be one where I have to stand out in, the wonderful clouds we have here. Yeah. Doesn't do a whole lot for solar panel either, so we'll see how that works. Anyway, I'm sitting looking at these over here, putting away the old heater core. So, yeah, all right, throwing it away. Yes, got it.
You know what? Might not throw it away.
Oh, I don't see any reason to keep it, but that's up to you.
No, throw it in that car.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's aluminum.
Okay. All right, I can see that too. Anyway, yeah. Okay, we're so done. I think we're done with today altogether. But anyway, all right. Well, take it easy. I will see you guys later. As I said before, don't. If you're gonna drink, don't drive. If you're gonna drive, don't drink, and don't do anything dumb. That's gonna be the best thing for you. I think so. All right. Bye, guys.